Oke guys, selamat datang di channel saya Yusamalah ya. Di video ini saya akan membuat gambar, yaitu tulisan 3D. Di video ini saya akan mengajari tutorial cara mengerjakannya. Oke, di sini saya
along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. The day's been in my mind for days. Wish I could get away. You know it isn't safe for me to be in this headspace. Drunk and I miss you unless I'm just drunk.
Oke, untuk pertama yang kita lakukan adalah merangkai katanya dulu. Di sini saya menggunakan kata untuk.
You pollute me with your lies. Thought I died along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Once upon a time I used to hold you close. Now the only thing I'm holding is a broken soul. Knock me down and I'm still falling like some dominoes. Oh no, I'm trapped, I can't get out no more. Back to the basics, you crazy as hell, and I can't bring myself to say I wish you well. Trying to be tough in a world that's ablaze. You told me that you would stay. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies.
Oke, setelah selesai, di sini saya akan menggambar bagian ruangnya agar nanti dia terlihat berdiri.
My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind.
Setelah selesai, di sini kita harus menggambar bagian sisi agar dia nanti terlihat 3D.
Don't you hit me in the night, cause I'm probably home crying. Don't you know that I'm still trapped in my mind. I cannot breathe through toxic skies.
Setelah itu, di sini kita menggambar bayangannya biar nanti tulisannya terlihat berdiri.
Too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Can't breathe in toxic skies. Pollute me with your lies. Yeah, I thought that I died. No.
Oke guys, sekian untuk video kali ini. Jangan lupa like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ditunggu untuk video-video selanjutnya. See you the next time. Bye bye.